It starts with the excavator, the primary digger. With powerful hydraulics and precise control, its bucket bites into the earth, loosening and lifting tons of soil in a single scoop. Every movement is calculated. The operator carefully swings the load, placing it perfectly into the waiting haul truck. This is precision in motion. Now, the dump truck takes center stage. Loaded to capacity, this heavyweight hauler is built for one job: to transport massive loads across rough terrain without hesitation. Watch the power of hydraulic elevation as the dump truck's bed rises and the soil cascades out in a controlled avalanche of efficiency. This is the payoff moment where transport becomes transformation.